Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about CapCut. It's a really easy video editing tool. It allows you to edit your video in numerous ways. And in this video, we're going to learn how to upload your video to CapCut, how to add captions, how to split and trim your video, and how to add audio. So let's go. Okay, so this is CapCut. As you can see, right now we're using the free plan of CapCut. I mean, you can upgrade it so you can use the pro features, and maybe you can expand your free storage by up to 100 gigabytes. But you know, you don't have to. You can still edit your videos and export it and download it. So now let's upload our video. I'm gonna just click on create new, and I'm gonna click on blank canvas on video because we're gonna upload our video. Okay, so this is the interface that CapCut uses. As you can see, there's this videos on this program. I'm editing this video on CapCut as well. And if you want to upload your video from your computer, you can just click to upload, or you can just, you know, drag and drop your file in here, and it's gonna show in here. Right now, we've created a new project, so there's no video in here whatsoever. But we can use the space files in here. So let's add audio, and you know, add some captions to our video. I'm gonna use the summary video from the written tutorial section of the program in here. I'm gonna just click on it. Okay, clicked on it. So you can see the video in here. You can see my face in here. You can just click on this to start the video. Hello everyone. Like that. So in here you can see where is this frame from in this video. Right now we're in the first second of it. So I just said hello everyone. So I want to cut that out. I want to edit it out. So I can just click on this split. I clicked on it. So right now I cut my video in half. This is the second half, and this is the first half, and I want to just edit it out. What can I do? I can just click on delete. I just clicked on the delete button on my keyboard. So let's see. Welcome to the written tutorial. It's that easy. But let's say that you don't want to do all that. You just want to cut out a certain sentence or word, or maybe you just want to cut out the silent parts of your video. What can you do? You can just click on the transcript-based editing, as you can see in here. I'm going to click on it. Language using media, English. I'm going to click on transcribe. Okay, transcribing. Okay, as you can see, you can just click on the word, and it's going to go to the part of the video where you said that word. Okay, I'm going to just click on the unique part of the transcription. Unique headline. How can I create a hook that can grab the audience's attention? Okay, so I just had that silent 1.6 second in this video. I can just click and delete it. That easy. Grab the audience's attention. And as you can see in here, no pause whatsoever. So this is how you trim and split your video in CapCut. You can just use manual splitting, or you can just use transcript-based editing. So let's add some video to it. You can just click on the audio button, and you can just use one of these musics, or if you want to, you can just upload a custom music that you made or heard. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm just gonna use one of those songs. So let's just use funk. Okay, I like this music, and I'm gonna add it to my video. I can just click on it, drag it, and drop it. And I can just change its position like this. So let's hear it. Welcome to the written tutorial section of the program. In this section of the program, it's really easy, huh? So I can't hear myself, and I don't want to hear myself. So what can I do? I can just click on this mute button. So in that way, we're just gonna hear the music. It's like I made an edit for myself. And you can just customize the length of the music in here, as you can see. But there's this problem. The music is too loud. Maybe I can just lower its decibel. Okay, how can you do that? You can just double click and there's this pop-up that pops up. You can just change the volume in here. Let me show you. Now it's too loud. Now, not as much. You can just use beats detection to detect beats in here. If you're just working with, your microphone, you can just use noise reduction. So now, let's add some captions. You can just click on the Captions button and you can click on the caption type that you want to create. You can just click on Auto Captions. Let's do it. Generate, okay. So it's gonna generate the captions, okay. Yeah, I didn't even have to explain it. So I'm gonna just unmute myself and mute the music so you can, hear and track the captions. Welcome to the written tutorial section of the program. In this section of the program, we're going to talk about the key points of creating a written tutorial. That easy. And you can just, customize the type, the color, the background color of the captions of it all. Or if you just want to use some manual captions, you can just do that. You can click on the manual captions section and just add some captions. Let's say rising. Okay, so the rising caption is gonna appear between the 12th second and the 15th second. Or you can just, customize it between 30 seconds and the 10th second. Okay. And you can just customize it in here too, You can just decide when it's gonna pop up. And you can customize the presets of the text. You can just click on this or this, anything you like. So let's say that I think that this is enough and I want to, download it and upload it to YouTube or any platform that I like. Okay, so you can just click on export. You don't have to, save it on some, button. You can just click on export. Yeah, you can click on download. Or you can just click on the share on social section. You can just click on the Instagram Reels if you are, editing an Instagram Reel. I prefer just downloading it and uploading it manually. You can click on download and you can decide its name, decide its resolution, quality, frame rate, and format. Let's say that this is called written tutorial and the resolution is 1080. High quality, 60 frames per second, and the format is going to be MP4. You can just click on export. As you can see, it's being saved, and after this finished, then the video is going to be downloaded automatically. And that is how you edit and download your video. In the next section of the program, we're going to talk about how to publish your article, how to publish your video, and how to build an audience. So let's go.